This is Ahmed, going to show you a quick review of neuroevolution. What is neuroevolution? Neuroevolution is a combination of genetic programming using the genetic algorithm on a neural network. Well, what does that mean? That means that genetic operations are being performed for the neural network. Normally, a neural network will use a gradient approach, as we have done in contemporary deep learning. We use a gradient approach, find the losses, and try to converge. Like if you can see it with my mouse, I'm trying to create a bell shape. I try to show you that at the bottom of the bell shape, which is the local minimum, we're trying to converge on here to the minimum of losses. So, but here in this scenario, we have the genetic programming approach. Programming means certain operations are going to be performed, which are inspired by the human genetic system, such as reproduction, mutation, crossover. I'm not going to go into details about the genetic approach right now. The genetic algorithm can you can understand it. You can visit my GitHub and read about it. 7:42 in the morning, and I've been setting this up. So um, here, well, credits to Seth Bling, who wrote down a Lua script for the genetic algorithm, who has defined how to read certain memory addresses for the BizHawk emulator. So I've got the BizHawk emulator running here, running Super Mario World. Then I've got his Neuroevolution, the Lua script, and as you can see right here, I'm going to give you a review of it. All right, there you go. So this is seventh generation running, and the species are being recording. As you can see, this one did not learn anything. This one runs straight into the dinosaur. It dies. All right. Yes, you can see that it uses different approaches. For instance, some species have learned how to use a series of buttons in a pattern, and some species have learned how to use just the forward button. They just go straight, run into it. So once an evaluation occurs for a generation, the species that will have learned how to use how to the species with a pattern that represents the highest fitness score will be allowed to survive, and this is present in the Lua script. So I'm going to share all of this on my GitHub. You can go visit it. You can try it for yourself to learn more about the genetic algorithm. And this is a biologically inspired approach and represents closely, very closely. I can't say almost represented, but it represents very closely the way the biological system of humans works. And yeah, that's about it.